How to handle canceled supplier e-invoices in QNE. In this video, we'll show you how to manage supplier invoice cancellations using the received e-invoice feature in QNE, keeping your records in sync with the MyInvois portal. Sometimes a supplier cancels an e-invoice within the 72-hour period after you've downloaded and converted it into a transaction using the received e-invoice feature in QNE AI Cloud Accounting. When this happens, the status in QNE and the LHDN MyInvois portal won't match. The e-invoice will show as canceled in MyInvois but still appear as valid in QNE. This process applies only to supplier e-invoices managed through the received e-invoice feature in QNE AI Cloud Accounting. Step 1. Ensure your company is connected. First, go to e-invoice, then Settings, and select Credentials. Make sure your company is connected to the MyInvois production environment, which means it's live and ready. Step 2. Identify canceled supplier e-invoices. Navigate to e-invoice, then Received e-invoice, and open audit logs. Click on Sync with MyInvois to update the latest statuses. If the system finds any canceled e-invoices that you have already converted into purchase transactions, it will show a reminder ribbon on the Received e-invoice screen. Simply click the Here link on that ribbon to filter and see all e-invoices that were valid when converted but later canceled by the supplier. Step 3. Open the linked transaction. In the Action column, click the linked document code to open the transaction created from the converted e-invoice. Step 4. Update the e-invoice status to auto-cancel the document. Inside the transaction, click the LHDN valid tag to update the e-invoice status. When the system detects that the status has changed to cancel, it will automatically cancel the document as well. You will notice that the account posting is reversed after the cancellation. Following these steps ensures your accounting records stay accurate and synchronized with the MyInvois portal.